let's take a look at the actual vacuum. They give you the instructions with there, right? Now they give you a bag, one bag, and one mop accessory, but actually there's two of them. One's already included in there. The one's ready to use. They're washable. You can put them in the actual with your clothing and wash it on the actual washer dryer. They give you one bag, like I said. On top of it, they give you another different brush, okay? They give you a secondary brush to clean the actual system itself. Now, this is removable here with the click of a, to remove it. It's very simple. You push up, the whole brush comes off. If you guys can see that, you could cut whatever's tied down. I got a lot of dogs and cats, so this is gonna be easy to clean from here. So to set it up back is you gotta enter one side first and then it just drop down. Put this back, clicks there, and there you go. Now, adjustable, these wheels should go through carpet, should go through any cardboard floor. So we're gonna put this to a test. It has sensors all around. Just make sure that prior to using it, you remove the actual film so the sensors can work a little bit better. You do need the application to get this working, so we're going to set it up today, but I just want to show you the actual input. So to remove the back end, you press down on these, all right, and to remove the back end. Now here is where you actually collect the dust and you'll actually add the water too, because this is also a mop. All right, I'm going to show you how to open it up. On the mop area, you add the water on the top, on this part right here, right? Now for the dirt, because this automatically goes in the system itself too, but if you want to clean it up yourself, you can, all right? I'm gonna show you how to do that. Push the button down, open it up, and here it is. This is where the actual dirt and particles are gonna go in here. There's a filter in here you have to worry about too to replace it. And then water goes all around so it can mop anywhere. So we're going to put this to use, but before we do that, we're going to download the app and set it up. All right, one of the best things I like about it, that there's an actual hidden cutter here and a brush to clean it up, all right? So that's a great thing to have. Now, besides just plug in, it's just a plug and play. The unit automatically docks in here and starts charging. We're setting up our phone right now, and once you log in and you register it, it should be easy as just plugging it in and automatically, if you guys can see it, there it is. So it tells you how to confirm. So to please confirm the device has been turned on, and then please confirm the device has been reset. So we're gonna go reset it right now, all right? So once we take it up to here, and it's telling you 2 fingers on it. So I'm gonna put both of them. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Reset Wi-Fi. Please follow the app instruction to pair.
So we reset it. Now we're going to go and confirm in here, hit connect. Now it's going to look for it, right? And there it is. Giving you all the functions here. So we're going to do a quick mapping of the whole entire house where I want it to go. So we're going to say map, start. So as you can see, it is mapping very accurate, all right? And of course you can set it up where you don't want it to map. That's another thing you can do. A carpet here to see how well it works with the carpet. Look at that. Works really well on the carpet. There it goes. All right, we're gonna go ahead and empty it out through manually on the actual app. So say yes, it's gonna be loud. All right, we're going to take a look at the modes if you guys can see that. You have a couple of things. You could do auto, it automatically, you teach it where to go. You could do zones, you pick up a certain zone. So I'm in a zone where I'm going to be mopping. That's what I'm going to be doing. But if you want to go into modes, different modes, we're going to go modes. Now here in general, it tells you that it's going to do a couple of things, just sweep pretty much. But if you want to mop, you can mop it. Now suction, depends on the noisy level that you want. You could do it minimum to maximum, right? Customization, customize is just choose a room and also ask what do you want it to do in that room. Mop, sweep, or just pass it by once or twice. You can do that. So right now we just fill it up with water right now, and all you got to do is dock it in here, and there's indentations here, right? This is a dock for the actual mop, if you guys can see that. So we started the process of mopping, and we're going to see what it does. All right, so we started seeing this mop work right now. It's having trouble in the corners, but there it goes. There's the mop mold. Vacuum. Overall, look at this. Did a great job. It mopped all the way twice. Ran out of water. It went to dock, and I could repeat the cycle. So the only thing that you have to be aware is that this machine mops wherever you tell it to, so it won't start the process until you actually get there. It was mopping, but look at this dog hair everywhere that I couldn't even see it because of the hardware floor, and it started mopping, and I gotta clean it and rewash it and maybe run it again